Are we in the right place? You all seem so much younger than I thought you'd be.
Of course these are the financial people, Missy. Heck, Justin Trudeau was 43 when he was elected Prime Minister. I can't imagine dealing with finances any harder than that job.
Good point, Stu. Well, nice to meet you. I'm Missy, and this is my husband, Stu.
Missy here has us seeing a fitness guru, a spiritual guru. So I thought, why not a financial guru? That's why we're here.
He uses the word guru, not me. We just need financial advice and heard that you were good. Maybe it's best if we tell you a little about our financial situation. We're in our early to mid-40s. I'm early and he's mid. We have 3 teenage children at home, 2 girls and a boy, and Stu has a 25-year-old son from his first marriage.
We have a home in Forest Hill, mortgage-free. We also have a small chain of high-end grocery stores, Mario's Fine Foods. Hopefully you've heard of them. We sell gourmet groceries and high-end meat and produce. We've got 3 locations now.
Mario was Stu's dad, was in business for over 30 years. Mario passed away about 5 years ago and we got the business. We just added our 3rd location in Oakville last year.
So back to the real estate thing. We own all our retail locations, which is a fair chunk of real estate, but we have mortgages on all the stores.
Both Stu and I work in the business, as does Stu's son Mario Jr. We're hoping that all the kids will work in the business when they get older, but I must admit it's a bit tough with Mario Jr. He walks around like he owns the place. He used to call himself MJ, but when Stu's father died and MJ started to work in the company full time, he went back to calling himself Mario, to make a point, you know? Like he's the one with his name on the door.
We don't need to get into all that right now, Missy. Chill on the Mario Jr. bashing, will you?
I'm not bashing MJ. It's relevant to our financial future, and I'm assuming these guys want to know this stuff, right?
Anyway, both Missy and I draw salaries from the business, but they go up and down depending on how well we're doing. I'd say what we take home together has ranged from $250,000 to $400,000 over the last few years.
We've got a lot of expenses with the kids, though. Evan is in AAA hockey, and that costs a bundle from ice time to uniforms to trips. He's our 14-year-old. Jana is 16, grade 11. She is a competitive club swimmer. She's really fast. This year, their March break training camp is in Barbados. Can you believe it? Barbados. Nice life, huh? Bets is 17. She's graduating this year. She's just waiting to hear where she got in. She studied so hard. She's a volleyball player, 5'11", which is short, believe it or not, for the varsity teams. But she's hoping to play in college.
Yeah, so we're bracing ourselves for the tuition bills to start rolling in for college, for the 3 of them.
Nice problems to have, we know. We're just so happy that all of them will be continuing their education past high school. Both Stu and I weren't so lucky.
Yeah, Missy and I didn't do much after high school. Times were tight back then. I went straight into helping out in the grocery store after high school.
I just never was interested much in school. Couldn't wait to get out. I know it sounds crazy now that I look back. I wonder what the heck I was thinking.
So we know a lot about groceries. And we're doing pretty well for ourselves. But we need help with our financials.
We've got a little bit of money socked away in savings account, but we haven't really focused on investing for the future yet.
That and life insurance. We took out a term policy a number of years ago that's about to expire. So we're wondering what to do now.
Hope that's enough for you to go on for now. I'm looking forward to hearing what you have to say about our finances. Maybe we're not as behind the 8 ball as we think we are.
We'll get you the paperwork you asked for so you can look it over. We'll leave you gurus to it.
Bye for now.